Everyone, and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. Okay, so in this video I will explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. One of the few important things that you have to understand here is that this is the particular zone where the price of gold was moving for so long. Okay, and the zone high is at around $18-10. Okay, and a low of around $16-15. Okay, this is the particular zone, and this 16-15 is already a weak support and this is a weak resistance. So keep this in mind. If the price comes close to this particular level, then chances are very high that it can move further upside if it hits the particular resistance, and it can move further low if the price hit this particular support. Okay, so suppose if the price sustain above this particular level, what we can see before we move forward and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. If you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work in gold, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, if you look at this particular chart, a swing has formed at this particular level. Okay, with a strong support at $17-15.25. Okay, and from there it is continuously on the upside and made a high of around $18-12. After that, what we have seen, it is continuously down for these 2 days. So if this level sustain, which is on a higher chances that we can see a strong support coming at around 1787, which it has already tested here. So chances will be high that we can see a bounce back can come. So suppose if this level sustain, which is at currently trading at, it can touch a level of $1800.19, and from there we can see it can touch a level of around $1809. Suppose if the price goes above that level, then we can see it can touch a level of around $1810.37, and if that level sustain, then a probability of moving further upside is there. We can see it can touch a level of $1816.30. Okay, and once the price move up that level, then we can see it can go further high towards a level of around $1833. Okay, now keep this in mind. Once the price sustain above a level of $1833, then chances are very high we can see it can go towards a level of $1841, and from there we can see it can move further high towards a level of around $1857. Okay, and once if it sustain above 1857, then chances of moving further upside will be there, because this is the trend. So this is the zone where it has not touched since June 2022. So probability will be there, if it crosses this zone, a further upside movement we can see for the gold. But suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, what we can see, if the level didn't sustain, this price didn't sustain this particular level, we can see it can go towards a level of $1787.14. Okay, and once this is the support where we can see that we can see a bounce back can come. But if this bounce back didn't come, then if it breaks a low, breaks this particular support, then chances of moving further low towards a support of around 1765 is there. And from there, if that also didn't sustain, then a probability is very high we can see it can go towards a level of 1746 to a level of $1739. Okay, and once if it fall below that particular level, then we can see it can go towards a level of around $1731.19, and from there we can see it can move further low. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description. Now understand something. If you are trading, you have to be careful, because most of the people lose money in trading. So suppose if you are trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade. Okay, and a risk of 0.5 to 1%, that is $50 to $100. 10 to 15% is $1,000 to $1,500. Okay, so $1,000 to $1,500, risk of $50 to $100 per trade. So suppose if you took 5 trades also, your risk is $500 for whole these trades. Okay, so if you lose all $500 for the day, then relax for the day and you can trade the next day. How it will be beneficial? You will not be in a burden to recover this 500. You will focus more on profit. Okay, this is what I teach in my workshop. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timings. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.